Always get 3 quotes. It's the golden rule. I called 10 companies doing the solar thing. I'm telling you, half of the companies didn't even pick up the phone. I've had a few people come out and make their presentation, their whatever. And, some of the companies you can tell right off the get-go that they're just trying to make a lot of money. Sign with us now, sign with us now, sign with us now, and we'll cut you money, we'll cut you a break. Well, that's a red flag right there. Green Legacy Solar, South Central PA is who I went with. And he was one of the only ones that said, go ahead, get other quotes. I'm more than welcome to. Well, that right there tells you that he's competitive, which he is. I couldn't be more happy with him and his crew. Crew 2. It's a 2-day install. They're putting the clips on the roof right now. They're professional. I can just tell. I looked at the tools in the truck. Same thing with the well pump. They got the well pump guy. They got the right tools. I just cut them a check. We're buying the panels outright. That way we can own our S-Racks or whatever you want to call them so that we can get dividends back or whatever. If you have a company that wants to zero down and you can make payments to them, well, you don't get all of your rebates that you can get. That's why everybody wants you to do zero down. We'll make payments. That's the whole reason. The companies want to have the S-Rex so that they get the rebates, the dividends, however you want to cut it or slice it. We own the panels outright. We get all the rebates and dividends back from PP&L or whoever your provider is. I suggest if you don't have the cash, not everybody has the cash to buy your panels outright. Hey, but at least go to your bank. See if you can put a mortgage on your house. You will end up making more money when the S-Rac's back at you. So owning the solar panels is the way to go. Yes, James here at Green Legacy Solar will be more than happy to get you a finance plan zero down. I mean, he'll do that for you. But he also will sell them outright, solar panels outright, and that's what he did with us. Wow. I'm thrilled having this done. I think it's a cool deal. Always shop around. So I shopped around for you. Green Legacy Solar, South Central PA. Man, check out their link on Build More with Less. I put it up there for you. It'll take you to their website, give you their whole spiel. You can find out more about S-Racks and owning over. He's got all the information. Check it out. Green Legacy Solar.
So James, what is the one reason, just so if it comes to the top of your head, what's the one reason why anybody out there needs your company and not some other one?
Well, I think it comes down to value. I think what you're doing is you're investing in a system that produces electricity that's going to save you money, right? So it's the whole package. You got to get a system that's warranted for 30 years, that's going to produce the electricity you want and not kill your payback period by paying, overcharging. It's going to throw you back and basically invalidate the investment.
Well, other companies can do that too, but what you?
Well, what other companies do is, like, our systems will pay off sometimes 4 to 5 years sooner than someone else's. So what that means is, like, someone comes into a system and they're looking at, well, I can pay this off in 6 years, or I pay this off in 10 years, or 11 years, or 12 years. So once they go into 12 years, now they're like, am I going to be in this property for 12 years? It kind of throws the whole investment off. That's why I think it's really important solar gets installed at a certain price point. Otherwise, it really invalidates the investment. It makes it a lot harder.
I've noticed that number one thing, you guys are doing quality. This is quality stuff, quality work.
That's what I'm saying. Value.
I love it.
Yep, value top to bottom. You need a system that's going to perform, it's going to last, that's going to do what we tell you it's going to do. That way you spend your money, you're getting the return on investment that you chose solar for.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
James, Green Legacy Solar.
Hey, check us out.